It is just so nice to enjoy this freedom to travel around the world. And today I'm in Germany, in West Germany actually, because here they celebrate these carnivals, which I find really great because it's this way of bringing people together, make them celebrate things and make them happy. I really like it a lot. And if you're new to my channel, this channel is actually for people who want to build freedom in their life, financially and on all levels. People who want to basically be free and do what they want and not what they're supposed to do. And for this, you probably want to start a business, so that you can do what you really enjoy, not just have a job that you might not like. So if you are looking for freedom in your life, then consider subscribing to this channel. It's not a traveling channel, it's just I'm now on vacation and I'm sharing some impressions from this vacation. Otherwise, enjoy this video. I think it's so great that people organize things like that. So enjoy. So if you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, and also leave me a comment what you think about such celebrations. And also consider subscribing to this channel if you're looking for freedom. And when I get back home, then you will get videos every week, but during my vacation I will post from time to time. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be informed when I'm back from my vacation. All the best to you. I'm missing all of you. So have fun.